Hello, everyone, and happy Wednesday. My name is Maris, and if you've been following any of my videos, I try to do things as naturally as possible. And my Christmas challenge this year to myself was that I wanted to look 10 years younger. And so you'll see that I have like all of these brown spots and then wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. And, I'm 60 and I want to look 50, which would be cool if I even looked 40. That would be really interesting. But, I just don't really want to invest. I'll be honest. I just don't really want to invest in really expensive creams and etc. and not have good results with it. I did invest several $100s, I won't lie, in some Noella products, and I'm going to talk about the eye serum today, and then I make my own oregano balm. I use oregano essential oil. I use the Young Living brand, and I used to put it on neat, and it would really kind of irritate my skin. So I decided at that point that I was going to make a balm. So I use coconut oil, as in the one that looks like lard. So I use coconut oil, beeswax, and the oregano oil, and I make a balm, and that's what I've been applying. And so I'm really excited because even though I don't feel like I'm looking 10 years younger, as hard as I've been trying, there are some things that I did find were really super noticeable. And so I'm going to bring you up here, and so you'll see, making sure I'm in the right place, you'll see this brown spot. Well, the little blanched areas, the little kind of lighter area around it, closer to my finger, that is part of that brown stuff coming off. And so I've been using the oregano oil, and it's almost, it was weird because nothing really had been moving. And I went in and I was taking a shower and, washing my face and stuff. And I noticed that there was something on my fingers there. And I looked at it and I realized, oh my gosh, it's like dead skin. And so I was very impressed with that. And so I noticed that they're also a lot lighter than what they used to be. And so I feel like there is some definite improvement in that. That one is a little resistant. Over here, I'm not noticing a lot of change. There is like a little blanch spot in there, but I'm still working on it. It's a work in progress. Will it all be gone by Christmas? Probably not. But I'm looking at other aspects of it that I'm really pretty happy about. And one of the things, and I used the Noella, Noella eye serum. It's in one of my old video, or not old, but it's in one of the previous videos about this. I noticed that, dang, my little crow's lines here are gone. Now, I do want to add this, that when I was working on those, ooh, it was I don't want to say painful, but there was some stinging and burning, and I was like, what? And I looked at it one day, and it looked, like, how a wrinkle, the indentation on a wrinkle? It was kind of irritated and scabby. And then once that kind of alleviated, I noticed that those wrinkles were gone. So my intention in January, after I'm done with this challenge, I'm going to give my face about a week's rest. I'm going to concentrate on these wrinkles here in between the eyes and then up on my forehead. I'm going to be using the wrinkle filler, the 24G wrinkle filler from Noella, but I'm also going to use the eye serum. I just, kind of want to see what happens. If it makes them go away faster, that would be really cool. Don't you think? So why don't you do me a really big favor? Comment something below. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, comments, anything cool. So I hope you enjoyed this, and peace, love, and harmony. I will be back by Christmas Eve or Christmas Day for that final result.